It's Halloween time, and today you will learn how to create this super kawaii mini ghost cake. My name is Dania, and you're watching Doki Cakes. Okay guys, so I baked my cake in this mini dress pan, and you're gonna let it cool off completely before you frost it. And for this cake, I decided to use Halloween Funfetti cake mix. I just thought it was perfect for this project. Then I used my spatula to smooth the buttercream, and to make it even more smooth, I used the circle smoother, and you will see that I was struggling with my turntable. But everything worked out well. You're going to chill your cake in the fridge just for a little bit while you're working on the fondant details. I cut 3 black fondant circles, but one is slightly larger. You're going to cut that one in half, add the highlights, make eyebrows, and paint the tongue with edible pink paint. Now let's add the fondant to our cake. I cut a big circle of white fondant, place it on the cake, and push the fondant with my palm. But make sure to be gentle with it and create the bottom ruffles to create our ghost shape. Brush some water on the fondant face pieces and apply them to your cake. For stability, insert some toothpicks on the sides of your cake, and I created teardrop shapes to create his arms. Push them into the toothpicks. Of course, to make him cuter, I painted on his pink cheeks. And voila, we're done with the Kawaii Mini Ghost Cake, and I'm totally in love with him. He just turned out super duper cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I would love to see your creations. Don't forget to post them on my Instagram with the hashtag Doki Cakes. Get ready to see more fun Halloween videos, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.